Everyone, welcome back to Jamaica.
Hannah,
Today we have a new
an exciting show for you.
That's correct. The name of the show is
Patwa Basket.
That is correct. So Patwa Basket, this is our basket here. We have the letters of the alphabet from A to Z. In Jamaica we say Z. So from A to Z. So the focus of this game is to choose a letter from the basket, and from that letter we use a Jamaican word
To make a sentence.
make a sentence. Now, what is Patwa? Patwa is Jamaican Creole. Patwa is Jamaican dialect. A lot of people believe that Patwa is broken English. Not at all. Patwa is a language. Yes, it is. And Patwa is a mixture of many different languages. You've got English, French, Spanish, a whole lot of West African languages. As a matter of fact, here in Canada at York University, yes, Patwa is being taught as an English-based language. So, big up to Jamaica and big up
to a culture.
Big up to Patwa. So Patwa is international. Patwa is being taught as a language. So when you tell a kid or somebody, say, why you chat buddy? No, left them. Because Patwa is not broken English. Patwa is a language. So from with chat with Patwa. Yes, it is. Sometimes we're on the street, hear people talking in their different languages, and it is not good for you to be speaking to someone in English or whatever, and then they just break off in their own language. So when I hear them start talking in their language, me Patwa. So Patwa, it is a language. So we have some letters here. So we're gonna start off shaking our basket. Let the game begin, and we'll choose a few letters. We do not know how many letters we'll have today, but we'll choose a few. And then again, the letters will be used to form Jamaican words, and those words will be used to form. All right.
Okay, let's
so
go.
Let's go.
And the first letter is Z.
Z.
The first thing that comes to mind is Zungu. Zungu, Z.
All right. So Zungu.
Or Zion.
Yes. Okay. So if you use Z to or Zungu to form.
Oh, we put on a Zion.
Yes, we have both Zion, like the Rasta man in Zion. And Zungu has to do with what? Plant? It's like a fence or zinc. Zinc, believe it or not. Yes, Zungu is zinc. So zinc pan, Zungu. And way back when this guy, Yellow Man, he had the song Zungu. And he has the old pan. Alright, so that's the letter Z in Jamaican Patwa, Zungu, and Zion. Yes, we are going for Zion. Alright? Let's go. Yes, what letter is that?
Oh, it's D.
D.
Take for yourself. Take yourself from yourself.
Take yourself from you. D.
Talk of the things.
Yes, talk. Not talk.
First time we usually have thought about.
Oh yes, the talk is from it's a bus from India. So yes, we have that bus. So Tata is from India, but again, Jamaican Patwa is a mixture of many different languages. And so T, Hanso. Oh, the white Hanso man. Hanso back.
Yes.
All right. Here we go.
One.
There you go. So letter T. What else we have? Okay. So this one is
letter is W.
W.
What's up? I could have what's up.
Yes, our Wagwan man. Wagwan. Where you say?
Where they go?
Where you then go? Where you go? Where you say?
Or even for water, we say water.
Yeah, it's
Give
some
me
water.
the
Give me some water, no? Yes, that's the letter W. Here we go. All right.
You want the other letter?
The letter is
L.
L.
Later.
Yes, man.
A little bit.
Little more. I'm still a later man. Yeah, the boy, you lazy, you see? Yes, so the letter L. Yes, there you go. Any other thing from L? Little, but with
Halawa.
Yes, that's Jamaican. Alright?
Why?
Why?
Why? You're so nice.
Yeah. I saw you're so nice. Yes, man. And yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man is known world over. Yeah, man. Jamaica. Nice.
Yo, what?
Yo, what? What you said? Yo.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
Nice.
You're good. You're good. Everything Harry, man. Yeah, man. Everything Harry. Yes, man. The little Y. Yes. Okay.
You're good. Nice.
Yeah, man. Let's.
The other letter is
P. Put it down. Me say if you put it down, I don't feel you. Well, picky.
You're too picky.
You're too picky. I'm too pia. Yes, that's the letter P for you. Yes, pia. Alright. I will feel me picky to that.
I feel me picky.
No, touch me picky now. Yeah, boy, you better believe that. That's Jamaican patois for you. The letter C.
What not?
Yes. You buy them teeth in them teeth.
Show me can't bother.
You know how this a woman so chaka. Okay? Mr. Me go place, I see place chaka, you see? Oh, we keep feel place like that. Yes, the letter C, that's Jamaican patois for you here. Alright, what else we have? Okay. Letter N. You're not treat me nice enough. You're not nice, man. How you say?
Our naughty dread.
Yes. No, me don't want none. And no.
But me never did that here.
No, you're not getting none. Me don't want none.
But me never want none.
No, me don't want none. No, me don't want none.
You tell us you want none.
That's the other one. K.
King teeth.
You got king teeth. I'm back at king teeth. Someone got king teeth. Someone. You get some sweet. King teeth like king 4 or something like that. Oh my God. Why does it seem like Jackie trying to kick out the teacher now? Okay, come on. Jamaica, nice. Jamaica patois. Here we go again. Come again.
The other letter is
B.
Brata.
Yes, man.
What's Brata for the day? I'm here.
Me buy some stuff for you. Not Brata.
What about this? Bratopsy.
Bratopsy. You know Bratopsy.
You know Bratopsy.
You never kill your mother and your brother. Say you know no Bratopsy. You need to get some Bratopsy. You know that's good. Alright. So B. Alright. Yes.
You know when we pop up in the other
Yeah.
The different when you tell the
Yeah. You know and you know something again. You know something. Fuck up in the can do that. Back way.
Our pizza bread and butter.
Back way. Yes. Here we go. What else we have?
The other letter is
Uno. How much cancel?
Oh, we can.
The boy obviously. Yes, the boy.
So that's you,
Uno. Yeah.
Uno boy.
Yeah, Uno on yourself. Yes, Uno. Whoop. The letter S. Yeah. I'm sitting that, you know. I'm sitting that.
I go sit down.
Go sit down,
run a pineapple.
Picnic. Me say go sit down. You hear me? Go sit down. Me not talk to you, no picnic. Go sit down. Here, on your sheet. Here, on your sheet. Here. You understand? Alright, I'm going Jamaica. Which one is that now?
The other letter is X.
X. Oh no. X. X is can be
X-ray.
Yeah. X-ray. No. Okay, alright.
X mutant is.
Yes. Okay. Alright, which one is we have now? X. X-ray.
Yes.
Well, we're gonna go back to this whole guy when Shabba and say X-rated or whatever. X-rated.
Oh, yes, X-rated.
Yeah, X-rated. Alright. So we're gonna much more on X-rated about X-rated. Alright. So that's what the thing said.
Oh my God.
That's what the thing said.
Alright.
What else we have now? I.
Everything Irie, man.
I. Yes, man. I data this, you know. Yes, man. Yes, man. I data this, man. So the thing said. Yes, the letter I. What else we have now? What else we have? Alright, okay. E. What you say? It did not answer me so. When we call, you must answer me yes, mommy, or yes, mommy. No. E. Yes, it near E. Yes, a Jamaican pop, but that near E. Or you know, but you know, yes, me never get enough, you know.
No, you're sweet.
Yes, it's sweet, and you know, what this to me? That's what I'm get. Yes, a Jamaican pop, like that. All right, this is a. Anansi.
Anansi story she chatting up.
Yeah?
Yes.
How you go? Huh? How you go? Huh? Have you hear this? Have you hear that? Yes, the letter A. Yes, that's a Jamaican. Yes.
Alright, so the other letter is.
I feel that? H. Well, yes, okay.
Down there.
Well, it is known and it is said that Jamaican we eat all our H's. And we add and we get yes, and we add H and something that we get H. So H, Howdy man.
Oh, the penguin of the rock.
How you do? H. We have one, you know. H is not one of those, but again, just H. What else we have for H? H. How you do? What else we have? Howdy. H. What else we have for H? Well, again, we say a few house that you know. We eat our H anyways, but a few house that you know. So yes, so H. Let's move on. What else we have?
H. The other one is
G.
Whoop.
In Pune, man. And Galang. Yes.
Guan. Take a thing them out.
Guan, man. Me not know for you. Guan, man. Galang. Cool. Yes, that's the letter J. What else we have?
The other letter is Q.
Yes. And what else you have? Q. Quick. Well, again, English again. Quick or yes or not many. Quick. I don't know Q. Yes, alright. Okay, so there's a Q. Alright, not many. Much for that one. So.
Okay, the other one is R. Run down.
You want down? Make some tongue with some run down, you know.
Make sure you put banana.
Make your banana run down. Alright. Banana run where? Run where? Alright. Okay, what do we have?
The other one.
J. Jesus, man. One thing, man. We forget. Jesus.
Never catch two jungle.
Alright. And what else you have? J. Ja. Rastafari. Yes, man. The letter J. What else we have
The
here?
letter is
D.
Dongatone.
Dongatone.
When you put Dongatone by two.
Alright. Dongatone. You know. What else we have?
Our dreadlocks.
Dongatone.
Our dada.
Yeah, Dada. Yes. I'm feeling Dada, this you know. Am I Dada? I'm a Dada, that you know. Yes, I'm feeling Dada, that you know. Yeah, man, nearly done. Yes, man, I'm me that. Alright, what else we have? F.
Fling, you give me.
Fling, yeah. Fling. Yeah, man. Yeah, you give me. You're a fool. You're follow fashion, man.
Are you follow fashion?
You carry your You follow fashion, man. No, you can't follow fashion.
Okay,
the final one is M.
Mother.
Why the father boy, yes, man. The man boy, the trouble, man. Just tell your man. Yeah. No, then the mother, no. Are you mother? Not tell me no for my mother. I feel my mother. Yes, my mother. All right. M. Listen. My mother like anything my mother. Yes, yeah, to make it, man. Yes, to make it. So yes, so those are the letters of the alphabet
in our Patois
Jamaican
basket.
So thank you
for watching
another
episode of Jamaica
Kana. Please like,
share, and subscribe.
Until next time, this is Don King
and this is Lady King
saying
bye.